to teach some mathematics. In this video, the arithmetic mean A of any two positive numbers x and y is defined to be A is equal to half of x plus y, and their geometric mean G is defined to be G is equal to root xy for two particular values of x and y. With x greater than y, the ratio A is to G is equal to 5:4. We are to find the ratio x is to y. So let's see how we are going to do this. Now, from the question, A has been given to us as half of x plus y, and G is the square root of x, the product of xy. So A is to G is equal to 5:4 implies that A is half of x plus y is to G is square root of xy is equal to x 5:4. So by the concept of ratio, we can write this one as 1/2 x plus y over root xy is equal to 5/4. And this is coming from if A is to B is equal to P is to Q. Then you can write it as A over B is equal to P over Q. Yes, that is the concept of ratio. So let's go ahead and simplify. So we can cross multiply, which implies that 4 times 1/2 x plus y, this will be equal to 5 times square root of xy. So this 2 will go here too. So we have 2 times x plus y, which is equal to 5 root xy. So let's get rid of the square root. We are going to square both sides. When we do that, the square will take care of the square root. So on the left hand side, we have 4 times x plus y all squared, which is equal to 25 xy. Now we can continue to simplify. So this will be 4 times x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. That is, when we expand this, this is equal to 25xy. So let's continue to simplify. So we multiply through by 4. We have 4x squared plus 8xy plus 4y squared. And this is equal to 25xy. Let's move this expression to the left hand side. So we are going to have 4x squared plus 8xy minus 25xy plus 4y squared will be equal to 0, since we move everything to the left hand side. So 8x minus 25xy, we have minus 17xy plus 4y squared is equal to 0. So this is quadratic equation. Now we can factorize. So 4 times 4 is 16. We'll be looking for factors of 16. Now when we multiply, we get 16. When we add, we are going to get minus 17. You can consider both negative and positive, or all positive or all negative. So looking through the factors, we realize that minus 1 and then minus 16 will do. Minus 1 times minus 16 is positive 16, and minus 1 plus minus 16 will give us minus 17. So we are going to break this middle term into these factors. So this implies that 4x squared minus xy minus 16xy plus 4y squared is equal to 0. So we have not changed anything. So we can group them. So 4x squared minus xy minus 16xy minus 4y squared, which is equal to 0. Now the common factor here is x, and then we have 4x minus y minus the common factor here is 4y, which is the same as 4x minus y is equal to 0. So we do refactorization. 4x minus y will be in bracket, and then x minus 4y will be in another bracket. If you have something like this, either 4x minus y is equal to 0 or x minus 4y is equal to 0. Now, when we look at this one, we have 4x is equal to y, and then x is equal to 4y. Looking at these two simple equations, here we realize that x is less than y, and over here x is greater than y. So since x is greater than y, we are going to ignore this part and then concentrate on this. So x is equal to 4y. Now we can divide both sides by y. So we have x over y is equal to 4y over y. This will cancel here. So we have x over y is equal to 4 over 1. But we were asked to find the ratio. So therefore, x is to y will be equal to 4 is to 1. Viewers, thank you very much for watching this video. If you are watching me for the first time, kindly click on the subscribe button. You can also turn your notification button on so that anytime I drop a video, wherever you are, you'll be alerted. Bye.